Now here's another example where I'm on a fabric website and I would like to grab that piece of fabric from their website, but I can't using the traditional right-click method. And so in this example, I'm forced to take a screenshot. Well, I can actually crop that fabric out of that screenshot in the Dream Draper program. Now, when I do go to import this swatch, I really don't know how much fabric I'm looking at. The website is telling me that the horizontal repeat is 11¼ inches. And according to this swatch, I really am not sure how much fabric I'm looking at. I'm not sure whether this is a repeat or more than a repeat or less than a repeat. So I'm just going to take a guess. When I import this into Dream Draper and put it into the custom swatch library, I'm going to take a guess as to how much fabric this is. So I will guess 20 inches. Now we do have a detailed tutorial on our website that shows you all the features of importing your own custom fabric. So I'm not going to go into all the options and features, but I do want to do a quick demo for you to show you how you can crop that fabric out of a screenshot in the program. So I'm going to open up the custom swatch library here and click on the Import button. Then I'll load my image. There, and you can see the screenshot. What I want to do is I want to crop that fabric out of the screenshot, and I can do that by using my mouse. If I depress my mouse, I'm going to draw a rectangle. And all I want to do is I want to grab that fabric. I don't want any of the white surrounding it. And at this point, I'll release my mouse. There! And over here, you can see how that fabric looks. Now, the computer thinks that the width of that swatch is 96 inches. Well, I know that's not 96 inches. I'm going to change that to 20. And I'm just going to click in the height field here. There. This preview window is going to show you how that fabric is going to tile in your design. When you do scale your fabric, you only have to input one dimension, either the width or the height. The computer will automatically calculate the other side. So now that I've imported my swatch, I've cropped it out of the screenshot, and I've scaled it, I can go ahead and click on the Import button. And there it is. And if I put a design on my canvas, I can now fill it with my own custom fabric. Just highlight your design and double click on the swatch. There, that looks pretty nice. And your swatch will stay in the program every time you open up Dream Draper until you decide to delete it.